Okay, so this is like my introduction video. What the main thing that I'm probably gonna be talking about is like my snakes and I probably say my snakes and tarantulas. Um, and the main reason I'm gonna do that is because I'm gonna start breeding soon, and I'm really like big into snakes and spiders and stuff. Also gonna be like a vlog thing, I guess. There's gonna be my like people that I know are gonna be like in videos and all that stuff. So it's not just gonna be me all the time. Cause like that gets boring, I guess. Like just to be like watching videos of the same person over and over and over again. So I'm gonna have other people in my videos. Um, Also, I might talk about like gaming and stuff. I'm not like all too sure on what this whole thing's gonna be, but I just kind of wanted to make like a little introduction video saying like this is what this is gonna be. Like there might be some music on here. I don't know. I kind of want to start a band, maybe like a little project or something. I play five-string bass and violin and guitar, and I'm learning cello, so I'm kind of music oriented and. Um, I guess like that's a possibility. I'm not too sure. Like I want to hear what other people like want to think. So like if you have any ideas or anything, then like, leave comments or message me or anything. Um, like I sound horrible right now. I'm really sick. I've been sick for like the past 5 days, and I just found my laptop like 3 days ago. So I'm kind of like figuring like that. I'll just go ahead and start. Like depending on like how busy I am, will be like the upgrades on my video. Um, like if I'm really busy one week doing something, then I probably won't get to uploading a video for a while. Or if I have like a really slow week and I don't do anything, and then I'll probably upload more often. Um, I just bought a pair of Nicaraguan het for blood boas and got a bearded dragon that my friend set up for me. She was a rescue, so she's missing a foot and the tip of her tail. So um, she's a leatherback, and she's really friendly. I'll bring them out and show you guys them in the future. I don't have them right now. I'm getting them this weekend, which I'm really excited about, and then I'm gonna be getting other snakes and stuff. I'm gonna set up a snake room and everything, which is really like a really big, big progress for me because I've been wanting to do this for like 3 or 4 years now. So I'm excited about it. Um, but I guess that's pretty much it for now. Like I just have YouTube stuff to do, and I will definitely interact with anybody that I can consider my fan base. I'm just saying, like, fan base, I don't know, whatever you want to call you guys. People like my views and stuff, viewers. So, like, anybody that wants to actually talk to me or interact with me, I'm definitely very open on doing that. I know some people don't like me, and I really don't care what people have to say. Like, so, I guess that's pretty much it. So, I guess I'll see you guys later.